Say hey, faithful. Gary here with another episode of 49ers Fogies Shorts Injury Edition. It's time for the Week 18 post-game injury report from the Angry Desert Redbirds game. Welcome, Kyle.
Demetrius Flannigan-Fowles had a neck, never returned. We'll look at that some more. Go ahead.
Well, thanks for the update, Kyle. Kyle said Demetrius Flannigan-Fowles had a neck problem. Can't win them all, huh? Well, as far as game injuries go, this is another one of the better ones. We're getting stronger every day. On to the playoffs. So until next time, stay healthy and go Niners! Say hey, faithful. You made it to the end. Leave us a message in the comments down below. And go Niners!